We are pleased to show you the 2019 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, dual exhaust, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats, heated steering wheel, auxiliary audio input. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.